Lillian from the Monkey King here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use our ceramic bird water whistles. We carry them in both sparrow and cardinal style. And as you can hear, they don't work without any water in them, so don't try to use them without water. Doesn't sound good. What you want to do is put it under your faucet or use a cup of water like I'll be doing here, and fill it about 3/4 of the way full. And sometimes you have to adjust your water level to make sure you don't have too much or too little water. So let's see how that works. So that was a pretty good amount of water. As you can see, it sounds like a real bird. You can adjust the levels of water to make the tone go up or down. And there you go. Do your bird calling.